ladies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you Wig Studio One for sending me this piece to do a review on. She also offers a support group. You can find it through Facebook under Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and we would love to have y'all there. Today this wig review is over Rene of Paris's new collection, the Alexander Couture collection. This is Angela in Mochaccino R. She is a rooted color. She is described as a light golden brown with light golden blonde highlights. And here is her golden brown. And she has those blonde highlights. She's very long. Let's talk about her cap. It's open wefted. It has a full mono top. She's not lace front, but she does have bangs. And she has this poly strip that you can use tape with. Here are her ear tabs. They're quite thin. Not super thin, but they're not thick. And they have an adjustable stay. They do not have felt over them. She has bra sliding adjusters. She does not have an extended nape. Okay, let's put her on. She's really cute. She's extremely long and layered. Now these bangs, you could part them this way. With her being a full mono, you can change the part direction. You just need some water. Here's her scalp. This color is a really pretty color. And I'll take y'all outside at the end so you can see. To me, this piece is really versatile. She's cute. If you like the mono and the bangs, something layered, she does have permatease right in here to give her some body, but not a huge amount. And she doesn't have showing permatease. Okay guys, let's go look at her in natural light. Okay guys, I hope this helped. Like and subscribe. Bye.